Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick dive into setting up recurring tasks with custom intervals on Asana, tailored for the 2025 version. This is a fantastic feature that can help you keep track of tasks that need to be done regularly without the hassle of creating them every single time. So let's get started. Step 1 is to create a new task. You do this by clicking on the plus Add Task button on the top right corner of your main Asana screen. This is the groundwork of setting up any task on Asana, recurring or not. Now that we've done that, you'll need to fill in details of the task, such as the task name, description, and assignee. The reason we do this is to ensure that the task details are clear and the right person is accountable for it. Next up, let's set the due date for the task by clicking on the due date field. You can set it for any date you want, but remember, this will be the date for the first instance of your recurring task. Now, here's where the magic happens. To make a task recurring, you'll need to click on the repeat option just below the due date field. This opens up a range of options for you to customize the recurrence of the task. Let me explain why this matters. Instead of manually creating the same task over and over again, Asana will automatically replicate the task based on your custom intervals. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and avoids any chances of missing out on the task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you set up a recurring task. Asana essentially creates a duplicate of your task whenever it's marked as complete, with the due date updated according to the repeat settings you've chosen. To wrap up the recurring task setup, you'll need to select an option that best fits your needs. For example, you can set the task to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. And if none of these options fit your unique schedule, you can always use the custom option to set your own specific intervals. This helps us because it gives us the flexibility to adapt the tool to our unique working style and needs. And that's it. You've now set up a recurring task with custom intervals on Asana. Remember, consistent use of this feature can drastically improve your productivity and ensure no task falls through the cracks. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video, where we will continue to explore more ways to make the most out of Asana.